Hello everyone, this is Janine and welcome to Inspired by Juju. This segment we're going to show you a quick DIY makeover for my corset Christmas tree, Lady Ivy. I purchased her several years ago from HomeGoods. You may have seen her in our previous Christmas home tour segments. And today we are going to give her a quick mini makeover. Nothing too drastic because I still want to keep the original decor. This year I wanted to enhance her dress, and I actually wanted to focus in on the length, tones, and textures, and embellish more with nature-inspired greenery. So right here is the original state of Miss Ivy. And here are my picks which I purchased from Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and Joann Fabrics. I also purchased some frosted snow, which you will see added at the end. To begin adding additional length to her dress, I used 5 pre-lit garlands that I had stored. But before you begin, make sure all the lights work and you fluff your garland. When you attach, you start from the back of her dress and you work your way around by attaching the limbs to the end of the dress. You want to continue the same step until you find the perfect length for your dress. For me, I wanted her dress to flow to the floor. After that is done, take your largest picks and you want to place them evenly throughout the dress. Make sure it is well balanced and in areas where they're going to pop. I use all different types of greenery from evergreen, cedar, pine, and of course several ivy vines along with pine cones. I also added my glass ornaments that I had from last year, in addition to crystal ornaments that gave her a glamorous yet frosted look. When you are making all these placements, make sure you stand back and check areas that could use some filling. When I was complete, I used my can of snowblower and frosted in areas on her dress. In addition, of course, I had to stage around Lady Ivy, so I used 2 lanterns that I had. For my larger lantern, I added some picks, ornaments, and I frosted the glass. For my other lantern, which is completely frosted, I just needed to add a tea light. This all tied in and gave a great illusion of whimsical nature and glamour all at once. I was very pleased with the outcome of Lady Ivy. She went from a princess to a queen. Now I can enjoy a beautiful addition of elegance and nature. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. And remember to sit back, relax, and be inspired.